Deep within the Swiss Alps, a startling event has surfaced that could fundamentally reshape humanity's understanding of the universe. Inside the Large Hadron Collider LHC, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, that CERN, scientists unexpectedly detected signs of an existence originating beyond Earth. Initially, it was merely whispered among researchers. When particles collided at near-minus light speeds, CERN's detectors captured a set of signals originating from the distant cosmos. Astonishingly, these signals exhibited perfect synchronization with a mysterious interstellar object known as 3I Atlas was first observed in July 2025 by NASA's Atlas Survey Telescope in Hawaii, the same instrument that previously detected Oumuamua and the two Borisov comets. Initially, it appeared to be just another frozen visitor from beyond our solar system. However, its behavior soon began to defy known physical laws. Unlike typical comets, 3I Atlas brightens as it moves away from the sun and dims as it approaches. More puzzling lie, its tail points toward the sun rather than away, as traditional comets do. Most remarkably, astronomers observed it pulsating every 147 seconds, as if pulsing with a cosmic heartbeat. Observations from the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed these pulsations do not reflect sunlight, but originate internally. This represents an electromagnetic energy burst from an unknown source, its cause remaining an unsolved mystery. Meanwhile, at CERN, a research team launched a project named AIT. This novel experiment aimed to explore the interaction between magnetic fields and cosmic rays. Everything proceeded as usual until 3 o'clock a.m. UTC, when precision instruments buried 100 meters underground recorded a peculiar resonance, like any known event within the collider. As scientists delved into the data, they were stunned by the revelation the resonance's frequency perfectly matched the 107 millisecond rhythm emanating from a celestial body billions of kilometers away. Initially, researchers suspected this might merely be some form of interference signal. However, as CERN's powerful magnets began shutting down gradually, the mysterious signal also shifted, clearly mirroring fluctuations in the collider's output power. For a mere 11 minutes and 37 seconds, the Large Hadron Collider became something it was never intended to be, a signal transmitter. This was no accidental background noise, it was a being from the depths of the cosmos listening and responding. Almost simultaneously, radio telescopes in Italy and France, key components of the European Space Agency's deep space communication network, synchronously intercepted microwave transmissions originating from the 3 liters ATLAS coordinates. Hidden within these waveforms was a sequence of numbers that sent the hearts of all participating scientists racing to 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13, 17, 19, all prime numbers. In the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, prime number sequences have long been considered a potential universal cosmic handshake signal, a mathematical pattern any advanced civilization might recognize. When visualized, the waveform signal revealed an elegant spiral geometry perfectly aligned with the golden ratio, that mysterious number approximately 1.618. This proportion, known as phi, astonishingly appears in galaxies, hurricanes, and even the DNA of Earth's life forms. Whoever or whatever transmitted this signal deeply understood the mathematical laws governing nature itself. Such extraordinary coincidence seemed beyond random chance until theoretical physicists proposed a bold explanation. They hypothesized that 3I Atlas might be an advanced quantum detector utilizing quantum entanglement to achieve instantaneous communication across space. Its 147 millisecond pulse cycle may precisely resonate with one of Earth's natural electromagnetic noise frequencies, essentially the planet's inherent electromagnetic heartbeat. This implies 3I Atlas might have been precisely calibrated to detect civilizations capable of generating powerful magnetic fields. The magnetic field inadvertently released by CERN during LHC activation perfectly matched this criterion. In fact, CERN's experiment likely triggered this dormant space sensor, awakening it after an eon of cosmic silence. Minutes after detecting this signal, the James Webb Space Telescope recorded minute energy fluctuations encircling 3I Atlas. These energy waveforms resembled some form of controlled electromagnetic feedback. Simultaneously, satellites orbiting Mars rapidly captured reflected pulses at the same frequency, forming a peculiar triangular response network between Earth, Mars, and 3I Atlas. Whatever it wasn't merely responding, it seemed to be coordinating. As these astonishing data gradually leaked out, a clear divide emerged within the scientific community. Skeptics insisted this was purely a natural phenomenon, perhaps some unknown magnetic anomaly or structure composed of exotic matter that just happened to resemble an artificial signal. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, they emphasized. Yet another faction of scientists, including leaders in network research, remained convinced this represented the first indisputable sign of extraterrestrial intelligent life. The precision of prime number sequences, the geometry of the golden ratio, and the targeted adaptive responses. It was all too exact to be mere coincidence. This was followed by another startling discovery. The ILMI Observatory in Chile recorded synchronous oscillations emanating from 3I Atlas, precisely mirroring Earth's radio traffic. This interstellar object, seemingly captured by our communications satellites, appears to be silently monitoring us. Faced with these extraordinary findings, CERN issued a cautiously worded statement acknowledging the detection of anomalous resonance signals during routine operations and indicating an ongoing investigation. Behind the scenes, a highly classified data protocol had been activated. NASA also quietly designated 3I Atlas as a priority observation target. Advanced orbital models reveal seemingly artificial corrections to its course. The object's trajectory exhibits subtle oscillations, gradually steering it toward a path closer to Earth's orbit. Calculations indicate that without deviation, 3I Atlas would make an extremely close pass by Earth in late 2026, 50 million kilometers nearer than Mars. Its course appears not accidental, but guided by some intelligent force. Major space agencies worldwide are mobilizing at unprecedented speed. Radio telescopes across the globe are being integrated into a unified global monitoring network, poised to intercept any potential signal transmission with unparalleled precision. To prepare for possible communications, researchers are intensively training artificial intelligence systems to decipher potential alien syntax and develop pre-programmed response templates should contact with an extraterrestrial civilization be definitively confirmed. The European Space Agency has even initiated preliminary studies for robotic interception missions, though reaching the target interstellar probe within such a short time frame may prove an insurmountable challenge. Just as global excitement reached its peak, astronomers observed an even more peculiar phenomenon. Several new interstellar objects, including C2025R2 SOHO, exhibited the same anomalous characteristics as 3I Atlas upon entering the solar system. Increased brightness while distant from the Sun, comet tails pointing toward the Sun, and rhythmic pulsations. Observations from the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory SOHO revealed at least a dozen such objects. More astonishingly, they all appeared to follow coordinated trajectories. If 3I Atlas was a single probe, the others likely formed a vast network, a constellation of observers systematically mapping the solar system. By early 2026, preliminary decryption of received signal fragments revealed recurring spiral patterns related to the golden ratio. This appeared not as expression, but as precise coordinates, identical to the spiral grid mapped by 3I Atlas itself. It seemed as if the object was declaring to us, "I am here." Through every solar storm, massive cosmic energy fluctuation, and even each collider test at CERN, this enigmatic object silently observed us, responding whenever we emitted noise. As physicists attempted to reconstruct the sequence of events, they realized the Large Hadron Collider LHC had not merely received the signals, it had likely triggered their transmission. The LHC's powerful magnetic field unexpectedly resonated with the 3i Atlas pulse frequency of 147 seconds, like two tuning forks sensing each other. This resonance may have momentarily opened a quantum bridge, enabling 3i Atlas to exchange information near-minus instantly. During the initial 11 minutes, a clear connection formed between the collider and this distant target, a feedback loop linking Earth to deep space through pure energy. When CERN cut the power, the mysterious signal gradually faded, but before vanishing completely, it recorded one final distinct pulse, an echo perfectly aligned with the collider's shutdown sequence. This cosmic visitor seemed to say, in a manner we don't yet fully grasp, farewell, or until we meet again. Some scientists now refer to 3i Atlas as Schumann's messenger. They believe this interstellar object is scanning the cosmos for planets that have developed sufficient technological sophistications noisy enough to reveal themselves through their own electromagnetic emissions. Others caution that this contact may not be entirely peaceful. It could be an automated probe cataloging evolving species across the Milky Way, part of a vast cosmic archive. If its approach to Earth is deliberate, human civilization faces unprecedented challenges and opportunities. NASA Deep Space Communications Network and CERN now conduct rigorous daily monitoring of 3i Atlas. Every 147 seconds, that enigmatic signal continues to pulsate, steady cosmic heartbeat that synchronizes remarkably with our planet's own electromagnetic pulses. Whether this is a naturally occurring cosmic resonance or a deliberately transmitted signal, the ultimate truth will likely be revealed when 3i Atlas makes its close Earth flyby in 2026. Should it signal again, this time the response may no longer be a chance detection, but the beginning of a genuine dialogue. Imagine this: an interstellar object defying our known laws of physics, an unconscious cosmic call emitted by a particle collider beneath the Alps, and a mysterious reply woven from prime numbers and the golden ratio. Perhaps this is the universal language of cosmic intelligence. Perhaps we've discovered more than just cold rocks from other star systems. Perhaps in the vast depths of the universe, life has spotted us for the very first time. Thank you for watching. If the story of 3i Atlas has moved you, please like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the mysteries of deep space. This may be but the prelude to a far grander, more wondrous cosmic dialogue.